Along with your DVD, your kit comes with 6 different tune-up fitness therapy balls. You get a pair of the classic Yoga Tune-Up Therapy balls, a pair of the Therapy Ball Plus, and the Alpha Ball. Now, each of these balls is made with a dense, natural rubber that has yield, so that they can get deep into your tissues, yet roll safely around and over bony prominences. The Classics and the Plus come in pairs tightly secured in a snug grip tote. And you'll see in the routines, they can be used as pairs in the tote or individually. The last ball is the Gorgeous Ball, which is air-filled and made of a soft, grippy, stretchy, skin-like rubber.
The various sizes and densities of these balls provide a different stimulus for different parts of your body. The Classic tune-up ball is like having my thumb compress its way into your tissue. The Plus is like my elbow working its way in. The Alpha is like my fist.
And the Gorgeous is like having a friendly bear paw take a hold of large sheets of your tissues at once, but with less depth of pressure than the solid balls.
We want you to become comfortable and familiar with using all of these different balls, depending on your body part and the amount of pressure that you want. Jill and I have used hundreds of self-care products, sampling balls, tools, and objects of all shapes and sizes, just to try to replicate the therapeutic approaches we've seen in work in our own practices. And while these 4 different size balls are by no means going to solve every biomechanical problem you may encounter, they do provide enough options to handle a wide range of myofascial issues that everybody comes up against. Our goal with these tools is to keep your tissues healthy.
These balls have 3 significant features that make them incredibly effective. They each have a massive amount of grip, they're pliable, and they're portable.
This grip effect awakens proprioceptive nerve endings and benefits your central nervous system by calming it down and improving its mapping of the area. Tools like tennis balls, golf balls, and foam rollers are simply unable to create this kind of grip on multiple tissue layers all at the same time.
The ball's pliability creates a cushion effect as they roll up and over bony prominences. The softness of the rubber yields to the hardness of bone and reduces the risk of bruising, pinching, or irritation. Because the ball can nuzzle against and tumble across bony prominences with ease, its grippiness can then grab at the delicate tissues in and around bony junctions that a harder object like lacrosse balls, golf balls, wood implements, or hard foam rollers can't even find.
Lastly, these balls are portable, so you can easily throw them in your gym bag, your carry-on during flights, or take them on long drives, or to the office.
They're lightweight and give you on-demand pain relief wherever you are. Now, when you first get the balls, they're coated with a thin mist of oil that will rub off right away. To develop the grippy suede texture of the balls, scrape them briskly on your carpet or jeans. You'll find the grip gets tackier and more grabby with each use.
First thing I do when I get them is I smash them underneath my feet. I get a great foot massage, and the ball is grippy and ready to go. The balls are also very firm when you first get them, but become more pliable with use. If they feel too firm at first, try doing your sequences on the wall for a while, till your body gets used to this deep pressure. They will soften over time.
To keep your balls grippy and pliable, keep them out of direct sunlight, as the direct light will dry them out and make them slick. Store them in a gym bag or a covered container, and they'll maintain their delicious grip and pliability.
The big idea here is that you need lots of different tools to fit into the different shapes and parts of your body. And we've assembled this amazing set so you have a variety of ways to have the biggest impact. Now, let's take a look at how to get the most from this new toolkit.